Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial I'm going to show you guys on how to prevent the automatic signing in of your computer after installing Windows updates. So this is annoying things that is your computer will perform automatic restart after installing updates. The automatic reboot after updates may cause you to lose personal informations, data, and save content. There is no built-in features in Windows that could be used to turn off the automatic reboot functions, but we need to do manually. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to use the group policy. Kung paano ba yan natin gawin, all you have to do is to press the Windows key plus letter R on your keyboard. Pagsabayin mo lang yan. And dito lang sa run at dito lang sa box ay kailangan lang natin i-enter yung command keyword na gpedit.msc. Okay, so just type this command keyword gpedit.msc, that is one word. And kailangan mo lang itap dito yung OK. And once na-open mo na tong local group policy editor, ang next step ay dito lang sa local computer policy, under dito sa computer configurations ay inabigit lang natin tong path na computer configurations, and then iselect mo lang dito yung administrative templates. So i-click mo lang yung arrow na yan para mag-expand, and ang next step ay iselect mo lang dito yung Windows components. So click this arrow to expand. And then next step, so dito sa Windows components, and then select mo lang dito yung, or inabigit natin dito yung Windows update. So scroll down, and then select mo lang ulit tong arrow na yan para mag-expand. So dito sa Windows update, and then iselect mo lang dito yung legacy policy. So yung pinakauna lang, so ang gagawin mo dito is to click one time. At dito lang sa right side, makikita mo dito yung settings. And next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung no auto restart when log on user for scheduled automatic updates installations. Okay? So click and double click and pop up itong kanyang settings. So ang next step ay dito lang sa left side ay makikita mo dito, or i-select mo lang dito yung enabled. So i-modify natin. So click enabled. And dito lang sa baba ay click mo lang dito yung apply, and i-click mo lang dito yung okay. Alright, so after dito, and close lang natin tong local group policy editor, at dito lang sa start menu, and kailangan mo lang mag-restart. Okay, click mo lang yan. Alright, so ganun lang po kasimple on how to disable automatic reboots after Windows update for Windows. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.